Okay, go ahead and state your name.
All right, my name is Monique.
Monique, where are you from?
I'm from Dallas. Been here for a couple of years in South Florida.
Excellent. And tell us about your hair loss. When did you first notice that something was going on with your hair?
I noticed it in like 2011, 2012. I had been like doing braids, over processing with the perms, the coloring, and I guess it was just too much wear and tear on my hair, and I noticed it thinned out really bad in areas of the front.
Okay, and that's what you're hoping to restore today, I'm
Yes.
assuming. Okay, excellent. Tell us about your research. How did you find out that hair transplant was even an option, and tell us about what you looked at.
At the time, I was following a beauty guru by the name of Destiny Godly on YouTube. And
Yes.
she got a hair transplant done.
Yes.
And I saw how good hers came out, and I thought if that was an option for her, that could be an option for me.
Yep.
And I started researching that. At the time, a lot of black women were starting to get it done due to the traction alopecia and things like that. So,
So that's how you found out about us. Okay.
Yeah.
How did you end up coming here? I mean, I guess you're coming here for work, I guess,
Yeah.
but how did you find us?
I actually just relocated up to this area a
Okay.
few months ago,
Okay.
and I started really researching stuff in the area, stuff in the Fort Lauderdale area, and this
Got
was
it.
like the top clinic that I kept finding, had great reviews, had
Excellent.
great everything.
Good,
so.
good. Well, we're very excited to get you some hair today, and thank you so much for helping other women in their research process. And I can't wait to see your results. And we're going to go through and draw your hairline out now. Then we'll check in throughout the day. But thanks again.
All right, thank you. I'm so excited.
Okay, I'm here with Monique, and at this point in the procedure, Monique has had her strip out. She's all sewn up in the back. And Monique, how's your day going so far?
Going smooth.
Awesome. What have you been doing? Just
Eating candy.
cool?
Netflix, watching Breaking Bad.
Yeah. Are you in any pain right now?
No.
Okay, good. All right, cool. So I'm just going to zoom around here to show people. Your hair's up, what we've done. You can see that we've shaved the area away in the back here, so that hair is all grown back. But I wanted to show the suture line, which is that little tiny line right in the middle. And those little blue threads are the stitches. First time in her life she ever had stitches, by the way.
I know.
So, but you can see that's going to be easily hidden with the hair. Once we put her hair down, it's going to come over that. So, anyway, thanks a lot, Monique, and we'll be checking in a little later.
All is well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm here with Monique, and Monique has just completed her surgery. Congratulations, Monique. How was the day for you?
It was very relaxing, pretty chill.
Yeah, easy stuff.
Yeah, very easy.
You're watching.
Way less than I expected, like less pain and all that.
So going in, you were nervous, you know what to expect, and now you realize that it wasn't so bad.
Not at all.
The anesthesia is the only part that's a little bit, stingings here and there, but you can get through it. So
Yeah.
I'm going to pan around here, show people what we've done.
Right.
So you can see her new edges. You can see how jam-packed each one of those little dots is multiple hairs, not just one hair. Except for the very front of the hairline, which are single hair grafts. But you can see. So I am super excited. You're going to be a great ambassador for traction alopecia, that you don't have to live with it. So thanks again, Monique, and we'll be following your progress. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.